Chang, I'm traveling with my family right now during Tết holiday, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me, okay? Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, for the first month of Lunar New Year, my family usually go on a trip together. Our destination is Vang Pagoda in Quảng Ninh province. Not gonna lie, this trip is an opportunity for everyone to relieve stress after a long year, start a new year full of joy and excitement, and also an opportunity for family to have a strong attachment. And we travel on motorbikes in 2 hours. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! We're almost there! Wow, we just arrived. Everyone in my family is parking. There is a large parking lot here with many types of motorbikes because you know in Vietnam most of the means of transportation are motorbikes.
Thấy đâu? Đây nè. Rất là hung dữ như bà Trăng.
Trăng. Bà Trăng là gì? Bà Trăng là gì?
Không nói.
Mọi người nó đứng đợi ở kia rồi mà. Mr. Phong. Chưa?
Để xe ô tô kìa. Tâm thì ghê dọ. Và
Hôm nay Thanh Tâm mà đi đâu nhỉ? Đây Mr. Lý đây. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vang Pagoda. Này cũng quay vlog như thật.
cha em quay cho mẹ mà.
Đâu Tâm làm YouTuber mà. Ấy đã chưa?
Ôi.
Ấy tạm dừng thôi.
Cha này. Con quay này.
Quá tuyệt. YouTuber đấy Thanh Tâm. Kinh cũng quay ấy.
Thu Trang.
Cái gì?
YouTuber Thu Trang. Sao lại leo núi tiếp? Đúng rồi, chùa Ba Vàng quá là mệt mỏi.
Đưa về. Đưa đi về chứ. À bịt kín đây. À lại. It's literally stunning pagoda over a large area, a lot of stairs and levels, and each level is more and more beautiful. And this pagoda also has a great system of wooden statues and valuable antiques. Oh, how amazing it is! You can see. Lâm ngồi đây mình đi đây.
Wow, these pagodas were built on the basis of wooden structure. It is such a unique architecture with the combination of different materials and colors, brightness and sophistication of internal and external decoration.
chúng nó đang rủ mình đi uống trà sữa miễn phí. Đến đèn.
Uống đi. Uống đi. Uống đi. Nó là sữa ngon chị.
À, ngon. Tâm muốn không? Tâm thử uống một cốc bên này. Ngon thế. Ngon hơn trà sữa là chị anh không? Wow, seen from above, everything, everyone just so small, just tiny. And there's something magnificent about feeling so small in nature. Oh, I can't describe this feeling because it's just the feeling that I've never had before. Yêu ai?
Chị Hương.
Okay, just an amazing feeling when we are so close to clouds. Oh my gosh.
We are on the way back home, and if you're gonna travel through Uong Bi on your way to Hạ Long Bay, Vang is definitely worth a visit.
Welcome to Vang pagoda.